What if a small car could replace your high-end car for daily commute? In this video, we are going to count down the most economical and unique mini-cars that are revolutionizing urban transport. These are the budget-friendly microcars that offer surprising power and unmatched convenience. Tune in to find out the small cars that will make your big car feel totally redundant. Number 1. Estrima Birò. The microcar that runs on electric power and is one of the tiniest in its kind is the Estrima Birò that was created with the idea of comfort and ease of use in driving around towns. The car has a small body with big laminated glass windows, sunroof and removable or glass doors. This gives an impression of spaciousness inside. 2 people can fit in the body of the vehicle, which is made of a robust 3mm steel protective frame. In the back compartment of the car there is room for 122 to 300 liters of cargo depending on the model. The microcar has a small engine powered by electric energy and removable battery that is easy to recharge at home. 4 disc brakes, hill start assist, parking brakes and 13-inch alloy wheels are among safety features of the vehicle. Number 2. Triggo. Triggo is a modern electric quadricycle that uses its innovative concept of changing the width of the vehicle to change the city transport forever. During the cruising mode, the vehicle extends to 148 centimeters in width to increase stability and achieve the speed of 90 kilometers per hour. If the traffic becomes too high, then during the maneuvering mode the wheels of the vehicle retract, and the width of the vehicle shrinks to 86 centimeters to move through narrow passages at the speed of 25 to 35 km per hour. During the turns, the vehicle leans up to 20 degrees to improve balance and handling. Triggo has a fully enclosed and heated cabin with seats for 2 people in the tandem arrangement. Triggo is aimed at being used in car-sharing services, which will unlock the vehicle using a mobile app. Number 3. UILA. The UILA is an advanced electric vehicle that merges the functionality of an electric bike with the comfort of an electric mini-car. The futuristic vehicle was designed by Frontier from Berlin. It has a unique design with an ultra-light structure composed of 3D printed body, steering wheel, and seats. The innovative design cuts down production cost and boosts sustainability. At a length of 3 meters and 70 kilograms weight, the vehicle is perfect for busy urban areas with space constraints. The cabin of the electric car accommodates 2 passengers in tandem seating and has an ability to transport up to 250 kilograms of cargo. Equipped with an electric drivetrain with pedal assist function, it provides a cruising distance of about 60 to 70 kilometers per charge and top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Advanced functions like Follow Me and Come to Me are controlled by an application on the user's phone. Number 4. Polaris Rampage. The Polaris Rampage is an extreme all-terrain tracked vehicle capable of conquering snowy, muddy, and difficult terrain easily. The Polaris Urzar engine that powers the Rampage is 1000 cc and has rear mount. Therefore, it is very fast and able to reach speeds over 60 miles per hour. Contrary to traditional tracked vehicles that have their controls through a hand lever, the Polaris Rampage is controlled using a steering wheel that connects to a hydraulic drive system, which enables one to maneuver the dual tracks in such a manner that even a 360-degree turn becomes easy. The all-enclosed and heated cabin makes the Polaris Rampage ideal for winter, since one is comfortable while inside the cabin during cold days. With a heavy-duty cargo area at the back of the vehicle, the Rampage can carry a full-size shipping pallet on its back. Number 5. Maxfun 10 Max. Maxfun 10 Max is a high-quality 72V electric hyperscooter featuring 2 hub motors and intended for those who require ultimate speed and high-performance riding. 2 1,800-watt motors offer peak power of 5,600 watt, which helps the scooter accelerate from 0 to 15 miles per hour in 1.87 seconds, offering top speed of 55 miles per hour. The scooter offers a maximum range of up to 70 miles owing to its removable 72V Samsung 35Ah battery. premium 10x 3.5 Italian PMT E-Fire racing tires offer a good grip. And Magura MT5E hydraulic disc brakes make sure braking process is reliable and safe. Adjusted Exaform hydraulic suspension and steering damper make riding at a high speed comfortable and smooth. The IPX55 rated Maxfun 10 Max weighs 112 pound with a maximum rider weight capacity of 350 pound. Number 6. Jetson ONE. Jetson ONE is an innovative personal electric aircraft that makes the dream of individual flying possible. Equipped with 8 separate electric motors, it has a unique propulsion system which allows the plane to fly stably even in case of failure of one of the motors. Made out of a lightweight aluminum space frame and carbon Kevlar composite body. The open cockpit plane weighs only 86 kilograms. It can reach the maximum speed limited by software of 102 km/h, has about 20 minutes of flight range, and can ascend up to 1,500 feet altitude. The pilot controls the plane using the easy-to-use 4-axis joystick with automated takeoff, hands-free hovering, and radar/lidar-assisted landing. A ballistic parachute is the additional safety device used in emergency cases. It takes 1 hour for charging on 230-240 V power outlet. Jetson ONE is sold for about $128,000. Number 7. PAL V Liberty. The PAL V Liberty is the world's first mass-produced flying car, which comprises a 3-wheel automobile and a gyroplane in one unique aircraft. This vehicle is made in the Netherlands and accommodates 2 passengers. Transitioning from car to gyroplane takes place within 3 to 5 minutes, while deploying the rotor and the tail manually only requires less than 10 minutes. The Liberty has an impressive driving range of up to 1,315 kilometers on roads, and when airborne, the flying range reaches 400 to 500 kilometers with reserve fuel. This flying car can achieve a speed of up to 180 kilometers per hour and fly at an altitude of 3,500 meters. Its maximum takeoff weight is 910 kilograms. Number 8. Flyboard Air. Flyboard Air is an innovative jet propulsion hoverboard invented by the French inventor and water sports athlete Frankie Zapata. Unlike the original Flyboard that used a water pipe attached to a jet ski, Flyboard Air operates without any dependency and uses 4 micro-turbine jet engines and 2 side stabilization jet engines. Kerosene fuel is stored in a backpack that supplies enough fuel for about 10 to 12 minutes of flying. It can attain incredible speeds of 93 to 110 miles per hour and theoretically has the ability to fly to a height of 10,000 feet with the proper safety gear. Stabilization system algorithm, in combination with body gestures, maintains balance during flights. It is a revolutionary innovation that uses future technologies and gives you a feeling of free flying. Number 9. WalkCar 2 Pro. The WalkCar 2 Pro is one of the most portable electric vehicles, which is only slightly bigger than an A4 laptop with weight of only 2.9 kilogram. It uses a specially designed 460 watt peak and wheel motor, which can accelerate the vehicle up to 15 kilometers per hour. There are 3 riding speeds available: 6 kilometers per hour, 10 kilometers per hour, or 15 kilometers per hour depending on the surroundings. The device gives a range of up to 8 kilometers on a single battery charge and is able to travel on inclinations of up to 12 degrees. The radius of its turn is 1.1 meters, providing good handling. Moreover, the rider's weight should be between 20 and 80 kilograms. Being sold for about $1,499, the WalkCar 2 Pro is a revolutionary transport for short urban rides. Number 10. UrmO. UrmO is a revolutionary ultra-lightweight folding self-balancing electric scooter, which makes the last mile of the commute easier. The product is developed by a team of experienced engineers from Tesla and BMW and equipped with the patent-pending folding system, which can turn the scooter into a briefcase-sized suitcase in just 2 seconds and enable its carrying on trains and buses, as well as into the office building. UrmO relies on advanced gyros, pressure sensors, and accelerometer for comfortable self-balancing performance. Moreover, it is integrated with the smartphone app, which helps users to check the speed and range of the battery, as well as use additional security locks. The lightweight and small size of the scooter make it the perfect option for crowded urban conditions. UrmO costs about $2,078.32 to $2,308.24. Number 11. MoonBike. MoonBike is the world's first ultralight, 100% electric snowbike, providing a unique, eco-friendly, and exciting way of traveling compared to the regular snowmobiles. The unique design includes the steered front ski, mountain bike suspension, and a 10-inch rear traction track, allowing users to have stable control even in harsh, snowy conditions. The weight of the snowbike is 192 pounds and is 3 times less than that of the conventional snowmobiles. Besides, it can be transported by an SUV hitch rack or stored through a regular doorway. The electric motor of 3 kilowatt generates torque of 125 pound-feet, achieving maximum speed of 26 miles per hour. Using the quick swap battery allows to ride 20 miles or 1.5 hours. Adding another battery increases the time of usage. The electrically heated battery box ensures its performance in sub-zero temperatures. The price range of the MoonBike varies from $8,500 to $9,500. Number 12. Waydoo Flyer One. The Waydoo Flyer One is an electric hydrofoil board that provides riders with an amazing flying experience above the water. It is driven by a powerful 6,000-watt smart lithium-ion PowerFlight battery that has an IP68 water resistance rating, and thus it goes at a top speed of 25 miles per hour with 60 to 120 minutes of flight time. Users have the option of choosing between an ultra-lightweight EP foam board and a carbon fiber board, depending on the preference of performance. The product features a hand controller via Bluetooth that allows riders to adjust speed through 24 different settings while at the same time enjoying its safety features. The Flyer One has a modular design that allows easy assembly and disassembly of the wings, mast, and battery. Number 13. Jet Capsule. The Jet Capsule is a luxurious mini yacht of the future that combines modern technologies and comfort of private lounge. Featuring a hull made of lightweight yet strong materials of carbon fiber and fiberglass, this yacht can reach up to 8.55 meters in length. Its power system, which includes Hamilton jet drive engines of varying horsepower, ranging from 370 to 1,250, allows it to cruise at the speed of 23 to 32 knots and exceed 60 knots in some versions. Climate-controlled cabin of this yacht features convertible seats, built-in refrigerator, sink, small bathroom, and photochromic glass windows which automatically regulate the amount of light passing through. Modern touchscreen control panel, night vision camera, 3D sonar system, and augmented reality navigation system improve piloting experience. Built in Italy, the Jet Capsule is produced in several luxurious versions starting at $69,000. Number 14. SubSonex. The SubSonex is an efficient single-seater jetcraft that provides a real jet flying experience in the experimental model. The SubSonex was designed by Sonex Aircraft and is fitted with a PB's TJ100 turbojet engine which develops a thrust of about 240 pounds. Although being a tiny plane, the SubSonex has a top speed of 265 miles per hour and cruising speed of 190 to 240 miles per hour. The climbing rate of the SubSonex is up to 2,000 feet per minute, while the range is 400 to 480 miles. The lightweight construction of the plane from aluminum, nose wheel retraction, and its special Y tail make it extremely maneuverable and stylish. This aircraft is sold mainly in the form of a kit for advanced aircraft owners and pilots. Number 15. GoSun Elcat. GoSun Elcat is an eco-friendly, quiet electric and solar-powered inflatable catamaran that can be used for sailing along the lake or any calm waters. Being built on drop-stitch technology, it is lightweight, highly transportable, and easily foldable into a very small package size. With its 3-horsepower electric motor and lithium-ion battery, the boat goes as fast as 6 miles per hour, providing a range of up to 22 to 50 miles, depending on speed and weather conditions. Solar panels, as an additional option, can increase its work time due to the battery recharge while sailing. The deck of the Elcat is spacious enough to take 6 people on board, along with a 1,300-pound weight load. The boat is quiet and requires little maintenance, and its cost starts at about $9,999. Thank you for watching. What was your favorite miniature car, and do you think you can drive one every single day? Feel free to tell us down in the comments section below. If you liked our video, be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you, and see you soon.